Really good.
Pad Thai is actually Hello everyone, welcome back to Angie's Table. We did notice that you guys are really liking our vegetarian Thai curry recipe that was released a while back, but we did notice that it was really popular, so we wanted to bring in another Thai dish, and we are gonna be making Pad Thai today. There's gonna be a lot of proteins added, including tofu, chicken breast, and shrimp. I feel like Pad Thai is one of the most popular dishes that people would order at a Thai restaurant, so let's go and check out how to make this at home. For rice noodles, there are a lot of different kinds. The one I picked up was the Thai Kitchen stir-fry rice noodle, but I did see at Whole Foods that right next to it were like specific to Pad Thais, but I really don't think it matters which one you get. Just showing that this is the brand that we are using today. And with these rice noodles, you don't boil it in water. We're actually gonna put hot water in a bowl of rice noodles to let that cook. It's gonna be of a texture that is a little bit more hard than al dente pasta, but we don't want it to fully cook because we will be cooking it in the fry pan with the rest of the ingredients. Colette is joining us now because she woke up from her nap. Tamarind concentrate we're gonna be using is this brand. And make sure to get tamarind concentrate. I know there are tamarind paste. We saw something else at Whole Foods. Forgot what it was.
That's an Indian tamarind.
But I heard that that one is a little bit more bitter, so you really have to up the sugar that you add in. This brand is a good one. I haven't tried this one yet. We actually just ordered this on Amazon because they didn't carry it at Target or Trader Joe. We just got this on Amazon, so we'll leave that link down below. Add in the sugar. If you guys have palm sugar, I know people just don't have it at home, but I know that with authentic Pad Thai that palm sugar is added, but I am gonna substitute it with brown sugar because that's what I have at home. Fish sauce and some sriracha. That was a lot. Give this a mix until it's well dissolved and we'll set it aside. We'll work on our protein and veggies now. So what are some of your favorite Thai dishes? Mine is Pad Thai. I also really like Thai fried rice, basil Thai fried rice, spicy. I like all my Thai food spicy. I know tom yum soup is probably really popular as like a starter, but my favorite is tom kha soup. We also really like pad see ew. I was thinking about doing pad see ew, but if you guys like this and want us to do pad see ew, let us know and I will be more than happy to learn how to make it and teach you guys how to do it as well. So sorry, Ella was crying a little, so I'm holding her because Grace has a camera in her hand. So we finished prepping the veggies. We are gonna now move on to making this Pad Thai. Pad Thai is actually a fairly simple recipe. It doesn't take that long to cook up. It's really quick. If you have a wok, great. If you don't, a fry pan will do. We are gonna use a fry pan today. Grace didn't season her wok. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. So add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. We're gonna cook our chicken breast and shrimp into this. Why does that smell so good already? Because it's chicken and shrimp. Saute this for about 2 minutes total and set it aside because we don't want to overcook it. Today's word of the day is 새우, which means shrimp. Out of all the seafood out there, I would probably say shrimp is either number 1 or 2. I love the texture of it, how plump it is, and when your like teeth bites down, it's so like plump, it's so good. I sound really weird right now talking about this. Yesterday was actually Valentine's Day, so Chino made me some scallops. I also love scallops too. It was so good, and make sure to check out the video next week because I'll be showing how Chino cooked up these scallops. Leave down on the comments below what some of your favorite seafood is, and if you guys are team shrimp, we're on the same team. So today's word of the day is shrimp, which is 새우. Now add more vegetable oil if needed, and we're gonna add our tofu in.
I think tofu is my favorite protein
for Thai food?
Thai food.
You do get a lot of tofu. As I said earlier, we're gonna be using shrimp, tofu, and chicken breast. But if you guys don't like any of these three, you can feel free to take it out. Or if you want steak or beef, feel free to add that in instead. I like having a lot of proteins in my pad thai, but it's unfortunate how the price really racks up the more protein you add when you order it at a Thai restaurant. Add in the drained noodles and the sauce. So stir fry this until the sauce is completely soaked into the noodles. If the noodles are sticking to each other, then add in a small amount of oil to make them separate.
That smells amazing.
Now push everything to the side and add in the rest of the oil to cook 2 eggs. Don't scramble it immediately. Let it kind of settle and then scramble it to create a more crisp texture instead of a soft texture. With bean sprouts, add as much as you want. I like it when there's a lot of bean sprouts added to my pad thai, or pretty much any Thai dish. So add as much as you want. I put a handful in the directions, but feel free to use less or more.
Do you like your pad thai saucy or not?
I like it just in the middle. I don't like it too saucy. This is what we have to do during downtime. Ella, can you say hi? Ella is sleeping over here. But we are gonna enjoy this now. I love pad thai, can't wait. Try it out. Oh my god, this looks so good. Just gotta make sure I don't drop it on Ella's head. This is that in-between saucy and dry that I was talking about.
Really good.
The chicken's really good.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, sometimes there's no need to go out.
I was thinking of doing Thai food for Valentine's Day. I feel like you can totally make this in like date night.
Now I really want to try Pakimao next.
I love Pakimao. You said Pak to you.
Oh, well, I mean, yeah, sorry, that's what I meant.
Even if you want all this protein at a Thai restaurant, it adds up.
So good. And the noodles are perfect, right? Because sometimes like I hate when I get Thai food and the noodles aren't right. I really hope you guys try this out. I mean, the curry was good, but this is really good. I think I kind of like this better.
Me too. I can say that.
So please try it out. Leave comments down below or questions down below, and we'll see you guys on our next video.